Good night, Teddy Bear. I am very sleepy now. Listen, rain is starting outside. What is that loud sound? Look, the lightning is so bright. Oh no, the thunder is very loud. I am scared of the storm. I must find my mom now. Open! Open now, please! This stupid door is stuck! It does not open at all! Oh, this is very bad. Mom, I am scared! Please help me, Mom! The power is off now! It is so dark in here. I am all alone in my room. I feel very scared and alone. Look at that big shadow. No monster. Please, no monster. It is a big monster. Go away. Go away, monster.
It is raining heavily outside. I should check around the house. I must check on Tom now. He does not like the thunder. Wait, what is that noise? The noises come from Tom's room. Oh, the door is stuck. Tom, are you all right? I hear you crying, honey. Don't be scared, my dear. Mommy is right here.
Mom, come inside. I really need you now. See, the door opened. Light comes into my room. It feels so warm now. Mommy, I am glad you are here.
My brave boy, come here. Sorry for coming late, sweetie.
There was a monster under my bed.
Come over here to me, Tom. No monster is real, honey. It is all about your imagination. Let's see what is under your bed.
Look, honey, there is no monster.
Come here and sit by me. We will play a fun game. Look, Tom, it's a spider shadow.
This spider is brave like you. Wow, the shadow is very cute.
I am here with you. Don't be scared anymore, okay?
I am not scared anymore, Mom. The scary noise is going away. Hey, that is my blue shirt.
It is just a regular shirt. You are very brave, Tom. I am so proud of you.
Yay! The light is back.
Let's blow out the candle. The rain and thunder are gone. It is fine now, my love. Here, this is your new friend. Use it when you feel scared.
Wow! It is my own flashlight! I can fight scary shadows now! I can see everything at night! It is so bright and cool! Look, Mom! I have the power!
Okay, playtime's over, my hero. It is time for sleep now.
Sure, Mom. I am ready. Keep warm under your blanket. I will, Mom. I promise. Good night to you, Mom.
Good night, my sweet love. See you in the morning. Remember, you are always safe here. If you feel scared, use your light.
I will be brave tonight.
Do you feel brave like Tom? Tell us in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more stories.